Nearly 5,000 years ago, the dawn of civilization often meant the back-breaking work of construction.
Life in the Stone Age was precarious. A severe storm could wipe out essential food supplies, forcing the community to band together against the elements.
Maintaining their structures was a daily task. Ropes frayed, and wooden joints loosened under the strain of weather and use.
The elders smiled, recognizing that the strength of the natural world held the key to their earliest tools.
Using the newly carved peg and a smooth stone, the elder successfully joined the two boards, showcasing a vital step forward for the tribe.
As the wind howled, the advantage of the wooden pegs became clear. While the old rope shelters shook violently, the new structure stood firm.
The creation of bronze was a pivotal moment. Here we see the molten alloy, primarily copper and tin, being careful. The blacksmith hammers a shining bronze nail, creating an incredibly strong connection. The builders can now lift the entire wall.
The village rapidly expands. Large barns, bridges, workshops, docks, and wagons are built using hundreds of bronze nails.
As the Bronze Age flourished, this simple nail became the bedrock of civilization, connecting homes, bridges, and...
As the sun rose over the calm river, the massive Bronze Age ship, the largest the village had ever seen, was finally ready for launch.
Carrying precious cargo like pottery, grain, and metals, these vessels established vital trade routes. They brought unprecedented.
As the temple rose, hundreds of bronze nails secured the massive wooden beams. This monumental effort requires... Inside the forge, iron is heated until it glows orange. The blacksmiths then use heavy hammers to shape the stronger
iron nails, stronger and more reliable than the pegs of the past, allowed for unprecedented expansion and complex structures. In a cinematic time-lapse, wooden villages gave way to bustling medieval towns. We see the rise of castings. The Industrial Revolution brought dramatic change. Steam-powered factories manufactured thousands of identical iron nails every hour.
A fast cinematic timeline reveals the structures of our modern world. Hidden inside every suburban home, skyscrapers, and
the humble nail, a simple object, yet it underpins the very structure of our civilization. From the journey from crude iron to precision steel allowed us to build stronger, taller, and faster than ever before. As you can see, the construction process was incredibly fast, with new homes appearing almost instantly to house the arriving families. From the earliest bridges to the fastest trains, civilization has always relied on the strength of the humble nail, binding our world together. The forging of the first nail sparked a golden timeline. From ancient furnaces to Roman bridges,
the smallest invention that built the biggest civilization.
Sometimes the smallest ideas change everything.